Hello guys, how are you? My name is Maicon and I am a quality assurance and software developer, and today I will show you how I created a simple test using Python, Playwright and Allure. Allure just for report, and I will show you here in my PyCharm. I just copy and paste some commands and run and show to you the results, and you will follow me in this process. But okay, the main idea is I execute some commands from here. This is my project on GitHub. I will put in this in command in the description of the video as well. I will just copy from here and I run in my PyCharm. But before I go to PyCharm, let me just show you my project here. This is my local project. I don't have a big project, just I have the login page, and this is page I'm using a correct password. I mean, I need to have a correct login password and enter. But I'll be focused just in this page. Like I will test maximum, minimum the characters, correct and wrong credential, and more some tests, but not so much. All right, let me just jump to my PyCharm. Okay, guys, basically here, this is my class. I have this class here. You can see here I have some testing. Some tests are described more and others no, just for have idea how we can do that. For example, here just one test, login valid credential, short inputs as well, maximal. Okay, you can see here we have different tests, and here I have another test too. All right, but sorry, let me just explain to you. My idea it's not explain the project, the structure class by class and how I did it, because if you wanna see this, I create a video in here in my channel as well. Just check in here if you have some questions, just let me know, or just see these videos. These videos as well. These videos I explain the architecture, how I created, and probably you can find more information there. Alright? Oh, perfect. Here just my project, but I will be focusing this part. Okay, let me jump to the important thing in this concept, the idea of this project. Alright, let me just execute it here or run all testing using this as well. Let me just copy in here and I will paste it here. It's running. Let me see the result with you. Alright, one test is failed. I will show you. Alright, let me just here. This is the fail because I intentionally create a test just for fail and see and allure. But this is the first command that we have here. Just run this command. I run all the testing using this. Let me just execute this one, set in the browser. I open with the browser as well, copy and paste again and run. Okay, here you can see I have some tests just in focus in the login page. Probably it's so fast but yeah, look here, all good, the same. Intention 5, intention failure here. This came from some places here. Let me just go here. Here. Okay, here. I just failed with propose, but don't worry, this is was expected. Let me just continue and run. All right. me just run this one. You can see here the difference. Difference now it's I will run a specific test. Okay, fine. I will just run this class because here I have one. I have told you I have two class. One class. This is my first class that I have some test, and another is this. Let me just go there and here. Let me just copy in here and execute in here. You see, nine tests as well. This, sorry, 9, no, 9. I'm thinking 9, but it's 7. Sorry guys, 7 tests. 7 tests. You can find 7 tests in here. All right. I won't count, but here we need to have 7 tests. Let me just move to another and here. Okay, sorry, I need to explain what I'm doing here first. My apologies. And here I have the test login successful. I just Control C, Control F here. I run this specific test. Here in console, the result will be different. I mean, you see just one in execution. Look, just one it in execution. All right. But probably you don't. I mean, I'm executing this in background. I'm not executing this using. I'm using is the driver. I mean, the browser, but not open the browser and step by step. I'm executing this in the back end, but the result will be the same. The difference is because I don't see step by step, but it's running the same. All here. Okay. Firefox and WebKit. WebKit. Firefox, you know, it's very common. WebKit, Internet Explorer. And the commands, they are very similar. But the difference, I will just copy in the Firefox. The difference because I'm using different browser here. Let me just again. All right, see here, it's running. But now I'm using the Firefox. One fail. In the same idea. This class, I'm running the test from this class and this class. Okay, the same idea. I run this as well and see and open browser, collecting 9 tests. See here. Okay, now I'm opening the browser and executing the test. Okay. One more second and then I will be done. Yes, if you see the same behavior that when we executing using Chrome and Firefox. Let me just run using this one here. I will do just here this command and this one. I will skip that. Why I skip? Because the idea will be the same. When I say the same, is the same as when I execute it using Chrome. The difference is the browser. See here. here go and see. Open. Okay, guys, just a quickly overview. Now you can see some command as well, how we can run our automation test in PyCharm using different browsers like Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. Okay, this is done for now, and let me just run Allure. Okay. Here, let me just run this one, generate test result. Okay, I use this command. Okay, I run in Chromium. I just copy, Ctrl C in Windows, Ctrl, just enter because I want, and let's see what happens. Okay, it's running the 9 items, 9 tests. Okay, one fail. Let me just, now I just executing using Allure. Now I need to run the Allure as well and see in locally. Here, for this, serve the report locally. I have this command here, copy and paste. I don't need to do this one, but I want to just to have a good vision. And this is command that we can paste in here in our PyCharm. You can see here, I'm here in terminal. Okay, all good. Guys, here we have the report related to our test. Okay, for example, here we can see a failure as well, and we can see more details about it, and the name, and the action that fails. We can see the picture here. And okay, here we have a good vision how it's happening in our test. When it's fail, we can have more details and see what is happening or the reason for the test fail. Let me just open my camera and I will say some words and then I will say bye bye. I will finish my video in this page. Here we go. Guys, I really appreciate your attention. Please, if you like these videos, let me know. If you don't know, I can improve next time. And thank you again. I appreciate your time. And here we have some, I just shown to you a simple command that we can use in our automation test, and that's it for now. I appreciate your time one more time and have a good day. Bye bye.